According to CBS News, the average family spends over 400 hours in the kitchen annually. Discover how choosing the right layout can elevate your kitchen from just cooking space to the heart of your home. Hi, I'm Francisca Alonso from AB Architects and Builders. In my 2 decades of creating custom homes, I've learned that a kitchen's layout significantly influences both its functionality and its feel. As a mother of 4, I understand the kitchen is more than a place to cook. It's where life happens. Let's explore the 5 common kitchen layouts to find the perfect fit for your home and lifestyle. The single-line kitchen, also known as the one-wall kitchen, is where all kitchen components, cabinets, appliances, and countertops are arranged along a single wall. This design is ideal for smaller homes or apartments where space is at a premium. It offers an uncluttered and open look, making it a good choice for minimalist or modern interior designs. However, the single-line kitchen can be limiting in terms of workspace and storage, and it's less suitable for multiple cooks. The Galley Kitchen consists of 2 parallel strips facing each other, creating a corridor-like space. This layout is highly efficient for cooking, as it keeps all appliances and workspaces within reach. Although it is a popular choice in many homes, due to its compact design for narrow spaces, it may not be the best choice for entertaining or for homes where the kitchen is a central gathering spot. The L-shaped kitchen consists of countertops and cabinets arranged along 2 perpendicular walls, forming an L shape. This layout is ideal for homes that desire an open floor plan, as its open nature can seamlessly integrate with living or dining areas. The L-shaped kitchen also offers flexibility in appliance placements and is conducive to a kitchen island if space permits. The U-shaped kitchen features cabinets and countertops that wrap around 3 walls, providing plenty of cabinets and counter space. While the size of this layout can accommodate multiple people working in the kitchen simultaneously, it also requires more floor space, as it can feel very enclosed if not well planned. The G-shaped kitchen is an extension of the U-shaped layout, with an additional peninsula or partial 4th wall of cabinetry. Although this design offers storage and countertop space, making it ideal for larger families, this layout can be overwhelming in smaller spaces and may limit movement between the kitchen and adjacent areas. The right kitchen layout marries your space's potential with your lifestyle's needs. Consider how you use your kitchen daily and how much space you have to work with. Take some time to envision how your cooking and social habits would fit with each space, and then you can decide which layout is right for you. Selecting the right kitchen layout is about creating a space that serves you in your daily life. What layout do you have in your kitchen now? What layout do you want in your dream home? Let us know in the comments below. Reach out to us at AV Architects and Builders to discuss the possibilities of a modern renovation. And for more home design insights, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.